we're going to show you one of our little epic breakfast sandwiches that you probably don't want to do anywhere but when you're camping every once in a while. So let's show you what that's all about. Tell me, what do we got going on here?
We're making cardiac arrest sandwiches this morning. And the key is you have to have multiple types of the divine swine. So we got some classic sausage as well as some bacon. And what else would you want? I think you're gonna probably want you know, some cheese, eggs, of course.
Right.
And then you have to have something to combine the sandwich. And most people would think like an English muffin or something like that. But us fat guys, we elevate it up with a glazed donut.
What?
Just stay tuned. These are commonly referred to as balls of meat. Normally you would do this on smash burgers, but we're doing it on the Fat Boy sandwiches.
So we're doing patties.
Yes.
Sausage patties.
We're going to make sausage patties. We're going to put the sausage patties with the bacon, with some cheese, and some hash browns on a donut. Up, sir. Check. Either a good move or a bad move. Slow motion. And we're gonna put all sorts of divine swine on them.
What was that place, like Country Cottage?
I don't know what the name of that place was.
Country Cottage Bakery, something of that nature. They made we called them up, they had them made in like 15 minutes. So, it's a pretty fresh, pretty good. So what exactly are we doing here?
So, well, I mean, any good breakfast sandwich has to have a bun. What better bun than 2 halves of a donut? So we're just prepping our donuts to make literally the best
And then I kind of made a mess
bun
at 5 o'clock this morning when we
you
came
could
up to the
possibly
bathroom.
ask for.
7:45 when we came up to the bathroom, so it was like rocks.
I'm gonna be honest with you. Best way to put butter on a Blackstone? Huh?
If you want, we can heat up water and take it up.
That's legit.
You smell it? Smell good. I'm not fancy enough that I'm gonna like crack it with one hand. I'm probably gonna end up having to try and like dig it out. 'Cause I'm gonna get a shell in.
Who knows?
You know what the rumor is for not getting shells in? Is crack it on a flat surface, not on an edge.
Oh.
That is, supposedly that's the...
Well, let's try it. Let's see.
Andrea's mom lives in Spokane.
Those two have E. coli all over them.
But Andrea's leaving.
The rumor could be accurate.
I don't know if they don't know that. But she's going to leave in a few days and business.
Oh, those look gorgeous.
So I couldn't remember if she was high functioning or needed assistance transferring and stuff like that.
Oh, what? Oh, the insides of the donuts are going down, and the glaze side is where everything's gonna go. So you got a reverse donut cardiac sandwich.
What's the matter? Are you being ignored over there?
Upside down.
Upside down,
It's
reverse
like
cardiac.
upside down pancake. Upside down sandwiches coming up. Tappy tap tap. Tappity tappity tap tap. Let those continue to get happy. McDonald's got nothing on me.
I'm telling
Yeah,
you.
you're just going to be thrown into the washing machine.
You may think I'm a clown when I'm camping, but I cook some breakfast.
Clean me up.
Checkers, back off the bunny.
Cute, like, where? As soon as he jumps.
Oh, perfect. Oh yeah.
This guy right here.
Put your butt over.
Let's look at that. Here we go.
Good. No, stay.
Oh, can we save it?
No, lay down.
I got faith.
Yes, we can. I'm like Bob the Builder with fat food right now. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna fix that, okay? Because I'm all about fixing things. Ooh.
Like I wear these.
Oh yeah, baby. Those are just about there.
Got some cheese glue there.
Cheese adhesive.
Is it time to make one of these monstrosities?
Time to build, baby.
Trying to make a heart attack sandwich.
All right, how are you? All right. Got some egg. Going on the donut. Sausage patty.
I'm just gonna warm that up for a second. Just let it get happy.
Yeah, it's on that tree straight ahead. Oh, I see it. On the brown. In the rain, but that's because I think everybody.
Well, you know what they say, you know, X marks the spot.
Amen to that. It's called And We Build.
Sausage patty on top of the bacon, on top of egg.
Oh,
Hash brown, dude.
almost got really in trouble right there with myself. I almost disappointed myself.
Oh, yeah. Hash brown, bacon, sausage, egg, donut, cardiac arrest sandwiches. Are you kidding me right now?
Why are they upside down?
Toasted them.
Gotta have something to
Cut
hold
the
on
donut in
to.
half and then toast them.
Victim number one.
Do it.
One bite, you know the rules.
Yeah, one bite. Everybody knows the rules.
Is it a heart attack? Do you feel your heart stopping yet?
Slowing down.
You slow it down.
Yeah, this is amazing.
All right, legit.
Solid, like 9.9.
9.9.
It was the best breakfast I've ever had.
That's. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God.
Stone flavor?
Oh, dang. Gotta compact that down a little bit. That thing got thick.
Yeah, it did.
So you thought you could take my seat because I got up to put the ribbon away?
Oh.
Whoa, back off, Samson.
You ain't getting.
You ain't sure.
Dog, you ain't getting none of this. He's like, give me some of this, like, right now.
Oh, man.
What do you think?
Pretty. Yep. Yep, back off.
You don't know.
That's Josh for,
What's in your eyes?
it's pretty good, and I'm gonna eat the rest of it.
Oh. Peace out.
Definitely stupid.
I can't wait to see you try to attack this.
It's not gonna fit in my mouth. I might have to do donut, hash brown, sausage, bacon,
you
egg,
wanna
and
cut it
then
in half?
another donut.
Yeah, no worries about that.
But see, that was the whole trick with the donut that we found out the last time we made the mild version of these, was that once you split it and you flip it, then at least you got something that isn't gooey to hold on to on the outside. So
Yeah.
that's half the premise on that. It's all the S's.
Yeah, mine kind of.
Sweet, savory,
You know what
and
you
sloppy.
could do is take if we had them.
Josh is somewhat staying strong over there. He's still got it together.
All right, we're gonna finish eating this breakfast here, but it looks like it's a pretty epic thing. Remember, you saw it here first on Unique Adventurez. Donut, breakfast, sandwich, cardiac mess. It went down.